Okay, well here's a quick video demo of the work we've been doing on the new Supermodel1, TRS-80 Model 1 replacement. I've got the system set up right now. There's 512K of flash, 512K of RAM, and we've got a CPU in there that'll run up to 14 megahertz, which is software selectable speed-wise. So right now I have it set up to just boot straight into the traditional version 1.3 RS-L2 basic that we all know and love. So I'll turn the power on. You can see what's going on here. And up here, I've got mem size, and it acts like just regular TRS-80. Except this system has a pretty large flash size. It actually has a bootloader with a flash, in-flash setup program that allows you to set various settings. So what I'm going to do is force it back to factory defaults by the key sequence and hitting reset. You press up arrow and down arrow at the same time, and you'll get a setup program here. It'll tell you that the NV store has been initialized because I pressed and held up and down arrow on reset or startup. And here I can select which boot image I want, including the diagnostic ROM. Down here, oops, a little bit of debounce going on. Change the CPU speed as we're going here. So I'll bump it up to 14 megahertz. And then the newest font image rather than the older one, which is this. So that's the original one that came with the TRS-80, and that's the newest one. Keyboard test doesn't work yet, but character test does. So there's your character test. If you go in here to the oldest character set, then you can see all of the lowercase with the lack of descenders and that sort of thing. So now, if I go up to the diagnostic ROM and I set the font to newest, I'll exit. Just going to boot up, and this is running at 14 megahertz. So now when I reset the system, I've told it to boot off of this diagnostic ROM again. It'll just boot straight into it.